Just figured I'd come at y'all with a short on these QA1 coilovers with the upper and lower control arms. So normally they come with these T-bars. It took me a minute to figure it out, but I finally did. So they come with the T-bar in there. That's where you can use your factory control arms or whatever. So you have to pop this out, which if you just take a hammer, tap it, it'll come on out. And then you also have this bushing in here. The way to get it out is to cut it on one side, which y'all see I hacked it up because I was trying to figure things out, but you know, it is what it is. So get you a razor blade, cut it on this side, and then it'll push right through. And then it comes out. So it would look like this on both sides, but you have to cut one side off and it go right through. And then that way it's able to sit down in the control arm like you want it to. So that's how you do that. I figured I would put that out there because it was hard for me to find it. And now that I figured it out, then I just figured I would let y'all know, man. So QA1 lower control arms, you got to take that T-bar out, and then you'll install this piece here, which it slides right in there, but you have to use your lock rings. So you got these lock rings right here. So this goes in there, put a lock ring on each side, and then you're able to sit it up just like that.